This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what expired: the product key, trial, or certificate. Open Settings, check Activation Status, and note Edition and Build. This determines the fix path. Once done, make sure you have admin rights and the original key or digital license, plus a quick backup or restore point. You will need it if steps require rollback. This avoids wasted effort on the wrong solution and prevents data loss while you move to the next corrective actions. Next, you repair activation and supporting services because corrupted files or stopped services often cause expiry errors. Use SLMGR to display licensing, then re-enter the key with SLMGR/IPK if required. This forces the OS to reevaluate entitlement. After that, restart software protection and RPC services, and run SFC followed by DISM to fix file corruption that blocks activation. Finally, you force reactivation and verify success. Try settings activation first. If that fails, use SLMGR/auto to trigger online activation. If online activation returns an error, use phone activation or swap to a valid key. Keep the exact error code handy when contacting Microsoft. Once activated, confirm the state, restore any changed settings, and remove temporary keys or scripts. If problems persist, a single troubleshooting tip: check date, time, and firewall. If system time is wrong or outbound activation ports are blocked, activation will fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.